Hello friends, welcome to Mechnotech YouTube channel. Friends, our today's topic is clutch, and today we are going to see the function of clutch and types of clutch. So from this figure you can see this. This is a driving shaft, this is a driving plate, this is a driven plate, and this is a driven shaft. Okay, so driving shaft, driven shaft, driving plate and driven plate. So here you can see the friction lining material is stick with the driven plate. So this is a friction lining material. Okay, so here compression spring is also given, which is used for the engage and disengage. Okay, the driving plate to the driven plate. Now when you apply the clutch, it will disengage. It means driving plate and driven plate will be disengaged. It means only driving shaft is rotate at that time. There is no driven plate rotation, right? When you release the clutch, at that time driven plate come to this side, okay, because of this spring, and it will stick with the driving plate here, and it will transmit the power from driving shaft to driven shaft. So basically the function of clutch is to engage or disengage driving shaft to the driven shaft during the power is transmitted. So hope you understand the function by using this figure. So this is also called the friction clutch. Okay, so here if we talk about the clutch, types of clutch, then here we have two types of clutch. First is positive clutch and second one is friction clutch. So here this figure is for the friction clutch, because here friction lining material provided in a driven plate. Okay, and by using this friction lining material we can transmit the power. Okay, so when it is engaged we can transmit the power. It will not allow to slip, or we can say wear. Okay, now in a positive clutch we can see here that there is a jaw provided. This is a jaw. Okay, so this is the jaw which is provided in the positive clutch. Now there are few advantage as well as disadvantage of this type of clutch. What is the advantage? The positive clutch can transmit the more and more amount of power than the friction clutch, because here there is because of jaw we can transmit more power, and here only friction lining material. So if we want to transmit the more power, then it will be the slip over here maybe. Okay, so it will wear the friction lining material. So here because of this jaw we can transmit more and more power in a positive clutch. On other way, disadvantage is that it will not engage at the very high speed, because during the high speed it will engage. If it is engaged, then it may be chance of breakage of this jaw. Okay, and also there are noises there. So that's why positive clutch cannot be engaged at the high speed. While on another way, friction clutch we can say we can engage and disengage at any speed. Okay, in a friction clutch we can engage and disengage any speed. Okay, high speed, low speed, any speed we can engage and disengage with the driving shaft to the driven shaft. Okay, and the power transmitting capacity of this clutch is comparatively low, not that much low, but comparatively low with positive clutch. Okay, now there are three type of friction clutch. Okay, we have seen plate clutch. Okay, so it is a plate clutch, or we can say disc clutch. Then second is cone clutch. The shape is like a cone, that we will see in the next part. And third one is the centrifugal clutch. So these three types of particular friction clutch. Okay, so I hope you understand the positive clutch and friction clutch. Okay, so friends, if you like this video, then like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.